Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into your bank's official portal or mobile app. Use your user ID and current credentials. Once done, navigate directly to the Profile or Security section. Do not click unrelated menus. You will be asked to verify identity with an OTP, push notification, or security question. Provide the code immediately because timeouts are common. This step confirms you own the account and enables the password change option without delay. You now enter the change password flow. Input your current password, then type the new password and confirm it. Make sure the new password meets length and complexity rules, typically 8-12 characters, upper and lowercase, numbers and symbols. Once typed, use the show option to verify there are no typos, then submit. If prompted, complete a second verification step like OTP. This process prevents accidental lockouts and enforces stronger authentication. You finish by saving the change and logging out, then log back in with the new password to confirm it works. Make sure to update any password manager entries and change saved credentials on other devices. If the portal rejects the new password or you get locked out, use the Forgot Password option or contact bank support quickly. Have your ID and recent transaction details ready. This restores access and helps the bank verify your identity to reset the password securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.